Hi everyone, exciting news. Unboxing the Barbie signature looks has 16. She is the curly and curvy blonde Barbie. The box is full of colors, and on the back of the box is has 13, 15, 16, 17 and 18 Barbie looks signature dolls. And she's model has 16. So I've been wanting this curvy blonde curly hair Barbie for a while and couldn't find her, and at last I got someone that was willing to sell her. So this is just a little note to say that she's a Barbie looks. Also the bottom of the stand. She got a beautiful face. I absolutely love the curvy Barbie. It's a strong Mattel Barbie. And I like the way they can pose. It just make it easier to take photographs. So this is the Barbie has 16 and I'm very happy with her, and she will go live in the house with the other curvy Barbies and other Barbie looks. And you must have a wonderful day, and thank you for watching.